Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So I think this is since Tuesday, right? I've been talking about this, uptrend move on gold, whereby price will actually climb up, then we will kind of have like a pullback, then we kind of see another ice here that was made, and then a pullback was made. We actually took another movement upward, then a pullback was made, and now this final movement was made before this drop has been made. So basically, one thing I would be watching out for on gold is actually another drop. One of the reasons why I'll be watching out for such movements tomorrow, the last day of the week, no much trade might play out, except if there's kind of like an high impact news that will be made, which very much likely we are going to have it. I have not checked the news, but I think we are having one. We are having about a couple of impacts of news, especially on the USD, that will play out tomorrow. So basically, with that, I expect this gold to actually drop, coupled with the fact that most traders will tend to close their position tomorrow. So if you can have this massive drop, right, all I'll just say is actually wait for a little bit of a mini pullback, then sell again. And the next level we'll be watching out for is 1846. So that is what I'll be watching out for tomorrow. A drop to a level of 1846 on our gold, right? So this kind of like is a mini pullback, and now we would continue that drop on our gold. So that is what I want you guys to watch out for. So bearish move for tomorrow. Now, to those that have not heard about my Patreon channel, I've actually created a channel where I intend to put high probability trade that I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. So far this week, we've taken about five trade. One of those trade we took this week was Euro AUD. We actually got to the targets. The next one was AUD card. We've gotten to the targets. Yesterday we took a trade which was natural gas. We got to the targets. Today also we took another trade which is US 30, and we've gotten to that target. So it's a one more trade that is still ongoing, which is WTI crude oil. So we are very much likely to hit that level next week. So I mean that is what I'm watching out for. Within tomorrow and next week we should be able to hit the level. So if in case you have not one of my subscriber yet, just give it a try with just 20 USD, right, a month. If at the end of the month you actually don't get the value that I promise you, you can go ahead to cancel your subscription. So like I said, I'll put a link in the comment section below. Check out the Patreon channel. I'm also going to put a link to the playlist of trade we took this week, so you can actually go there to watch and confirm. Like I said, give it a try so you will not be disappointed by the way.